Today I'm going to be installing new brake shoes on this 2006 Honda Civic Si. It looks right here because of my shorts. See? That's funny. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. What I love about this gold kit, comes with brand new hardware kit. So let's go ahead and remove the old hardware from here. Might need a flathead to get this out. Wow. Alright, and there they are. Let's go ahead and open up this new bag. And we have a total of 4, 2 for each side. So let's go ahead and insert the new ones into its proper location. Before we do so, let's go ahead and rub some synthetic brake and caliper grease right underneath them and right above them. There it is. It's on all surface contacts. So let's go ahead and insert this right into its location, like so. And we'll do the same with the top one. Alright, now we're ready to insert our caliper brakes. This one is going to go on the rear, just like so. I usually like to have the sensor going downwards. Road spin is forward. Yeah, so rotations is this way. So I want this going downwards. That way it pulls up away from it versus against it when it's running low. So let's just go ahead and insert this. Trying to get a camera angle right in here and slip it right up here into its location. Might need both hands. Alright, there it is. And we're just going to rub a little bit of synthetic grease right in the back, pretty much where it makes contacts with the brake caliper itself. Alright, let's go ahead and put on the front one now. And these are the gold, so it should be providing less brake dust. So let's go ahead and insert this one here. Alright, and there it is. Now we'll do the same thing with this one here. Just rub some grease where it makes contact. That should be good right there. Now we're ready to slide this caliper right over it. Actually, we gotta compress that piston first. There it is. So let's go ahead and pop open the hood. Alright, once you have your hood propped, let's go ahead and open up our brake fluid reservoir. There it is. It's pretty low. Yep. So let's go ahead and pop that piston back out. The way I'm going to do this, I'm going to use a C-clamp and a piece of wood. They do sell a special tool that's a C-clamp, and it comes with a metal pad that compresses that together. But we're going to do this George Lopez style. So I'm going to go ahead and prep this up real quick. Alright, and there it is. Now you just compress it down nice and slow. Alright, and there you have it. I just sprayed a little bit of brake cleaner to kind of clean this out. You can see all that buildup around the seal. So I just want to remove this buildup as much as possible around the seal. That way that boot doesn't rip. Anyways, that's compressed. Let's go ahead and slide the brake caliper back into its location. Now we put the caliper pins back into place. The bolts for the caliper pins is what I meant. And then we're just going to go ahead and tie this down. You might need a 12, and I use a crescent to hold this one as I tie in this 12. Alright, there it is, just like that. The crescent and the 12 mil on the other side. Alright, and there you have it. Now all you simply do is the other side. Start the car, pump the brakes, make sure the calipers or the pistons are nice and compressed out so these make a nice good seal, and you're set. The reason I'm not going to show this right now is because I need to do the rear. So I'll complete this and then I'll throw in that video. Alright, once you're done with all of the brakes, the front, the rear, everything, we're going to go ahead and close our oil reservoir for our brakes. It's right at the line. It's perfect. Spilling some. Nice and topped off. Let's go ahead and start the vehicle up. Alright, let's go ahead and press on the brake. First time it's going to go all the way in. And you could feel it getting harder and harder. Alright, that's perfect. Nice and solid. And you're done. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.